Okay, and that is all about the before the altar. Next, come to the point of the passion. It is also a poem, passion. Here in this poem, actually, passion is the poem which is written by the Bronte, and before the altar, it was written by uh, Lowell, Amy Lowell. Before the altar was written by Amy Lowell, and passion it is written by the Bronte, Charlotte Bronte. So in this poem, you will come to know the soldier, who is soldier, and what kind of the dareness he will be having, and then how he fights for his country, how he fights against enemy country, the wonderful, what are the dedications that the soldier should have towards his country, that is mentioned here in the passion poem. Okay, next the road not taken. Road not taken here. Many times you people are going to be in a dilemma what to choose, what not to choose. After completion of your second PUC, there are three roads in front of you, three ways in front of you: arts, commerce, science. Where to go, where not to go. You are in confusion. Here also poet was in confusion. The road not taken, but you choose. The road of the commerce, many of them chosen. Roads of the arts, many of them chosen. And roads of the science, many of them chosen. Maybe science, what is that? ITI, many of them might have taken. Then which road you have taken? You people have taken the commerce road. But here, poet has chosen the road which is not taken by anyone. What is that? The details of the story, the details of the poem, where I will let you know when during the classes. Okay, dear students, this is the total prose and poetry. Next, come to the next. What is that? Business communication. So, business communication, dear students, business communication. By reading the by reading the business communication, the 40 marks you can expect in your examination. The 40 marks examination. In your examination, you can expect it for the 40 marks. Then, what are the things that you are going to learn under the business communication? Dear students, under the business communication, the three things you are going to learn. So, the first thing is the letters, means how to draft the letters. For how to draft the letters, enquiry letters are there, debt collection letters are there, complaint letters are there, and notice writing will be there, and circular drafting is also there. Like that, the different types of letters. So as a commerce student, you people should know that how to draft the letters, official letters, personal letters. Okay, such kind of the letters that you will come to know here in the business communication. Okay, here it is not there. Okay, for in our examination also, 8 letters will be given. Out of 8 letters, 6 letters you need to draft. 6 letters you need to attend. By drafting the 6 letter, every letter carry every letter carries 5 marks. Like that, 6 letters, 30 marks you are going to get from there itself. Okay, by writing the letters. The next is the job application letter. The next one is the job application letter along with the curriculum vitae. Job application with CV, curriculum vitae. For that, 5 marks has been allotted. And next is the commercial and computer terms. Commercial and computer terms. Okay. The next one is the commercial and computer terms that you are going to learn here. Okay, this is the section C, business communication. Okay, my dear students, under the section business communication, you will come to know how to draft the letters. In our examination also, the 8 letters will be asked. Out of 8 letters, 6 letters you need to attend. Dear students, 8 letters will be given. Out of 8 letters, 6 letters you need to attend. Each letter carries the 5 marks. The total 6 letter, 6 into 5 is equal to 30 marks you can get by drafting, by only drafting the letters itself. And next, job application with CV. Okay, when you are going to apply for the job, You need to prepare your own resume, means biodata and curriculum vitae, how to draft it, that you are going to learn here. And next, commercial and computer terms. As a commerce students, you people are well aware of the commercial terms. What are the commercial terms are there? Actually, few commercial terms are here. You people know it, but even though it has been kept for your English syllabus also, when it comes to class, I will be explaining. And next, the computer terms. Computer has become the integral part of an education. Everyone must be aware of computer along with English. So what are the important commercial terms? For example, computer, input device, output device, memory, RAM, ROM, such words are there. Okay, the terms of those should be, you should be aware of those words. Okay. Okay, this is what you are going to learn under the business communication. Okay, dear students, this is your whole syllabus. This is your whole syllabus. Okay, let us move on to the examination pattern. Okay, briefly I am going to explain the examination pattern. When it comes to the examination pattern, actually your semester paper will be set for 80 marks. Okay, it will be set for 80 marks. Here 80 marks means what are the things? The first section A, okay, section A, it is the poetry section. It is the poetry section. Under the poetry section, two mains are there. The first main and then second main. First main annotations. First main annotations. And the second main questions. Shortly I have written here. First main from the poetry section. Poetry section. Actually, here annotations. 3 annotations will be given out of 3 annotations are given. Out of 3 annotations, the 2 you need to attend. And here each annotation carries 4 marks. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 3 annotations will be means 3 dialogues will be given. 3 dialogues will be given. Out of 3 dialogues, you need to choose 2 dialogues, and on that 2 dialogues you need to make answer. Okay, from which chapter this, from which poem it has been, these lines are taken, and who has written this, and what is the theme of this, that everything you need to write under the annotation section. So like that, 3 will be there. Out of 3, 2 you need to attend. Each annotation carries the 4 marks, total 8 marks you are going to get there. And next, questions. Okay, actually 3 questions will be given from the 3 questions will be given. Out of 3 questions, 2 questions you need to attend. Each question carries 6 marks. Total 20 marks you can expect from the poetry section. Questions from the 5 poems, 3 questions will be asked. Essay kind of questions. Essay type of questions will be asked. Out of 5 poems, 3 questions will be asked. Out of 3 questions, 2 questions you need to make answer. Each question carries 6 marks, total 12 marks. Totally, from the poetry section you can expect 20 marks. Next section B must be prose section. Yes, must be prose section. Under the section B, prose section, 4th, 5th, 2 mains will be there. 3rd and 4th main, 3rd main and 4th main. In 3rd main, out of 5 chapters, out of 5 lessons, 3 questions will be asked. Questions. 3 questions will be asked from 5 chapters. Okay, among the 5 chapters, 3 questions will be chosen and given here. Out of 3 questions, 2 questions you need to make answer. Each question carries 8 marks. 2 into 8 is equal to 16. Okay, this one. And next, short note. You have to make the short note 1 out of 2. 1 out of 2. Actually, 5 chapters are there. Now, in 5 chapters, there are many characters will come. There are many characters are there, means name of the persons or characters are there. Two characters will be given there. You need to choose one character and you have to dig deeper, means you have to write something on that character. For that 4 marks. 1 into 4 is equal to 4. Total 20 marks. From the poetry section you can expect the 20 marks. From the prose you can expect the 20 marks. Total 40 marks. Rest of the 40 marks from the business communication. Business communication, from where you can expect. Okay, next section, business communication. Section C, business communication. Okay, under the section business communication, what are the things you are going to learn? So that is the business communication. Shortly I have written. Okay, this section C does consist of 3 main questions. 5th question, 6th question and 7th main. In the 5th main, letter drafting. See there, letter drafting, 8 letters will be given. Out of 8 letters, 6 letters you need to attend. Out of 8 letters, 6 letters you need to attend, and each letter carries 5 marks. Total 30 marks you are going to get here. Here only you can score more. Letter draft. Next, it is also letter drafting, job application letter. Job application along with CV. Job application. How to draft a job application letter along with the CV. Here 5 marks you are going to get. 5 marks. And next, terms. Here computer and commercial terms, or commercial and computer terms. One word: computer, RAM, share, authorized capital, balance sheet. Such 5 words will be given. 5 terms will be given. Each term carries 1 mark. Total 5 terms will be given. 8 terms will be given out of compulsory questions. 5 terms will be given. That 5 terms you need to attend. Okay, it is a compulsory question. Okay. Here you are going to get a 1 into 5 is equal to total 40 marks. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood. This is your total syllabus and examination pattern. In the next class, we can move on to the business communication. I hope you have understood all of them. Okay, if you have not understood anything, please have a look on this video as and when it is required. Thank you all. Thank you very much.